Pisces, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. It has been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is here and now. Don't worry about the past. The past is gone. You've outgrown that person. You're a totally different being to this day. Don't worry about the future because it's totally in your control depending on what you do today. Take control of your life today. Be happy today. Be happy every day because your needs are being met. You have a gift and also you're growing. Show up and show out every single day by creating a great present. And that's how you make sure you solidify a great and wonderful future. The future does not exist, so I build upon it today to make sure it's great. And the past is gone. I focus on the present moment. I have confidence in life again because here and now there's no danger and everything happens when my soul is ready. Today I'm ready. Today you're ready because the life needs you. The world needs you. I need you. Show up and show out. And look how your life is going to change. You put too much work in to change and continue to evolve. To stop now. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.